Hello, my name is Nathan Rufty. I specialize in home lending in Southern California. Attention California public employees, such as firefighters, law enforcement officers, teachers that pay into the CalSTRS program with public schools, California State Universities, and California community colleges, as well as CalPERS members, legislators, and judges' retirement system. We have a loan program to purchase or refinance a home utilizing our special lending product known as CalPath. We believe in the American dream and assisting those in our communities that do not ask for much in return. We would like to reward you, and this program is only offered through Mountain West Financial. We have available to you at a discounted interest rate, lower lender fees, and a one-time free float down on the interest rate during your lock period. The CalPath Home Loan program is not limited to first-time homebuyers, and no homebuyer educational course is required. Mountain West offers a wide range of purchase and refinance home loan programs to fit your budget, and I welcome the opportunity to speak with you about the advantages of this new and exciting lending program. I look forward in speaking with you. I welcome the opportunity to meet or speak with you about your home loan options. I look forward to hearing from you.